Japan just made a move that could flip crypto on its head, and almost nobody's talking about it. By the end of this video, you'll know why a gaming giant teaming up with Japan's biggest financial group might be the signal XR holders have been waiting for. Indeed, there's one detail buried in this announcement that changes everything. I'll get to it in a moment. Here's what happened. Gumi, a major Japanese game developer, just launched a crypto fund with BI Holdings. Now, if you don't know BI, they're massive. We're talking one of Japan's largest financial institutions. They control banks, securities firms, and they've been quietly accumulating XR for years. This isn't some startup experiment. This is old money making new moves. The fund is targeting Bitcoin and altcoins. But here's where it gets interesting. BI has been one of the most aggressive institutional players in the XR ecosystem. They run BI VC Trade, a Japanese exchange where XR consistently dominates trading volume. They've invested in Ripple directly. Indy now, they're launching a fund with a gaming company that reaches millions of users across SIA. Why does gaming matter? Because Japan is testing something right now that could change how money moves in the digital economy. They're building bridges between gaming economies and real financial systems. Indeed, it's exactly where IO 20022 comes in. Well, what is IO 20022? Think of it as the new language banks will use to talk to each other. Right now, when you send money internationally, it's slow, expensive, and uses outdated messaging system from the 70s. IO 20022 is the upgrade, richer data, faster settlement, and it's going live globally right now. Major banks are switching over this year. Here's why this matters to you. XR is built to be IO 20022 compliant, or tokens like XLM and LGO. These aren't just cryptocurrencies. They're designed to plug into the new global banking infrastructure. When banks need to move money across borders in seconds instead of days, these are the rails they're building on. Indeed, Japan, they're ahead of the curve. Japanese banks have been testing cross-border payments with XR since 2017. BI has been running real payment corridors between Japan and out east SIA using Ripple's technology. This isn't theory, it's already happening. Now here's that detail I mentioned earlier, the one almost everyone missed. Gumi isn't just any gaming company. They've been experimenting with blockchain gaming and digital asset integration for years. This fund isn't just about buying crypto. It's about building infrastructure for a future where gaming economies and real financial systems merge. Indeed, they're doing it with a partner that has direct relationships with Japanese regulators and banks. Think about what that means. You've got a regulated financial giant and a gaming company with millions of users building a bridge between entertainment and finance. Indeed, they're doing it in Japan, a country that's been crypto-friendly while it has been stuck in regulatory chaos. This is the institutional adoption everyone talks about, not Coinbase ads or Bitcoin TFs. This is banks and major corporations quietly building the plumbing for a new financial system. Indeed, they're choosing IO 20022 tokens to do it. What should you watch next? First, track BI's moves. They don't announce things for show. When they launch a fund, they deploy capital. Second, watch for more partnerships between traditional finance and crypto-native companies in SIA. Japan and Singapore are becoming the testing grounds while Western regulators stall. Third, pay attention to XR as price action around major IO 20022 implementation dates. March and November are key months when more banks complete their transitions. Indeed, if you want to position yourself in tokens like XR or other IO 20022 assets, you can get started on BitUnix. There's a link in the description. Here's the bottom line. While everyone's watching regulations and Bitcoin price predictions, Japan is building the actual infrastructure. BI and Gumi just put real money behind crypto and gaming convergence. That's not hype. That's institutional capital flowing into the future of digital finance. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Ways to your own research before investing. The crypto market is volatile and you can lose money, but the shift is happening. Indeed, it's happening in places most people aren't looking. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.